In this video, we unbox and review a dirt cheap 4-wheel drive RC truck.
What happened? I broke it again.
Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, a few months ago I did an unboxing and a review of this cheapo little RC crawler thing, but I lost some of the footage that I filmed and now I've found it. Also, we took this thing out off-road the other day and also I found a couple of cheap mods that you can do to this thing to make it better. So some of the footage is going to be the same from the last video, but it's going to be sort of remixed with extra content. Alright, enjoy. Spike's going to help me unbox this military, I don't even know what it's called. Alright, Spike's like a military man, so...
The military super truck.
Oh, look, it's got a little alloy chassis.
Look at this little prop shaft. It's got leaf springs.
Oh, it's actually got leaf springs.
It's actually on leaf springs.
Oh!
Yeah, look at that. NiCads.
USB battery charger. That feels really cheap.
She's omni-bearing control system. Full function, 1/16.
Alright, so I think we'll stick it on charge and do a quick montage while that's going on. Charged up, you've got the battery in there, headlights are on, steering on this thing is epic. Go on, Spikey. what's happening?
Well, that's all we get, look.
This is all or nothing.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is a bit strange, isn't it? Yes, he's happy though, look.
It's a throttle progressive.
Yes. Yes, it is progressive, but you'll find it's got no torque, look.
Oh, she's off! Oh no! I didn't expect it to make it, I missed most of that.
If you're looking for a little bit of scale detail, then I suppose it's got
Oh,
that.
look, that rear axle!
What's happened to the rear axle?
I know, it's bouncing.
Oh no, I know.
Oh,
Look!
this one's come off.
Look!
Is it meant to do that?
I think, look, the spring is supposed to be hooked up underneath there.
Does it?
There you go.
Alright. Oh, something fell out!
That's bit of that's the prop shaft, that is, Kev.
Oh no, it's all... Oh, that's off.
Oh, it's lost it
That's
all.
off. That's off. That's off. Oh, it's off. Off.
It's all off, look.
It's gone.
It's gone. Rear props had it, front props had it.
You probably mend it.
Yeah, if we can find all the bits.
So we got it all clipped back together again. No damage. Oh, tumble wumble.
Broke it. Drive shaft.
Oh, what? Needle in a haystack. That's what happens when you floor it. Pictures fall off.
There it is. And then push fit.
Yeah.
There we go. Fixed it.
Nail it! Nail it! Oh,
no!
Oh.
It's lost another one.
Hey! It's walking speed, but oh!
This could be quite fun to soup up and put some decent kit in it.
Can you get it down there with it in one piece? Oh! Oh! What happened?
I broke it again. Oh.
Luckily nothing actually breaks, it just pings off. So as you can see guys, it is fairly capable. I mean, it's not going to be anything like a TRX4, but for the price and for what it is, it's going to get over a few little stones and a few obstacles. The biggest trouble is that it kind of falls to bits. I mean, we didn't break anything, but these leaf springs pop out of here from now and then, and when that happens, it makes these prop shafts pop out. So I put a cable tie on here just to try and hold it all a little bit closer, make this sort of drive angle a little bit nicer. So let's give it a quick blast and see how it holds up. What's happened here? Fell off again, maybe a bit of super glue. Well, that seems to have done the job, guys. So as you can see, guys, with those little upgrades that we've done on there, it's made it more usable. In standard trim, this thing was falling apart. It was dropping drive shafts out, it was popping the leaf springs out left, right and centre. So now with this little sort of modification, it's at least usable. It's not falling to bits. Would I recommend it? Personally, I wouldn't use it myself. I mean, I'm a bit beyond it. I'd rather have something more expensive like a Traxxas, you know, something like that. But if you're new to the hobby, you're just getting into it, or even if you want to tinker, there's a whole online community of people that buy these, and you can modify them. You can put like different servos in there, different running gear, and make these things a lot better. So yeah, you never know. Maybe I'll do a little modification series on this. So would I recommend it? I don't know. For the price, it's not bad. I mean, it looks nice. Performance-wise, not brilliant, but for the price, it's all right. So guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. If you do want to buy one, I'm going to put a link down below. And they do these in a lot of different body styles, so you haven't got to go for this one here. They do all forward cabs and double wheels and all sorts of stuff. Just have a look at the link below. All right guys, see you soon. Bye.